Okay, in PQRS, area of PQS is given 100, base given, height given 10. So area of triangle PQS is equal to half into base into height. Area given, half we can write, base not given, height is given. So 0, 0 I have cut. Now by cross product, this. So 20 is equal to QS. Now lower part, area of triangle QRS, half into base into height Rn. Now this is given 1, 1, 0, half. Now base we got, that common base we got. Ten, then 0, 0. So Pn 10 centimeter. Mark this, very important question. This is also good example. $60, 14, so it is automatically 30. A, C, B. Hypotenuse is given. Opposite to 60 is always half of the hypotenuse. So opposite to 30 is CB. Half of hypotenuse. Opposite to 30 degree. So half of 14. So it is 7 centimeter. Opposite to 60 AC. Root 3 by 2 of AB. So root 3 by 2 AB. Cancel. 7 root 3. So these two answer, 2 marks. Next question is also a very good question. Given segment AB congruent segment CD, to prove that major arc AC congruent arc BD. First point, what is given? AB congruent CD given. Therefore, arc for AB it is this. For arc ACB congruent arc DBC. If chord congruent this arc, if chord congruent this arc, both are congruent. Chords are congruent, therefore arcs are congruent. Now this arc I will break down into two parts. 1, 2. Arc AC plus arc BC. Arc BC plus arc BD. So BD, BC, BC equal. Here by addition of arc. Simplify. Simplify means what? The common part we have cancelled. A is x7, B is 115, distance AB is equal to 10. So to find x, this is your x1, y1, x2, y2. So distance AB x1, x2, y1, y2. So x1 is x only, x2 1, 7, 15. Distance is also given. Correct? Now I'm taking square on both the side. Both the side I am writing short. 100. $64 less. See, don't open the bracket. Automatically you will get double answer. Don't worry. This is 36. Taking square root. On both the side. So plus or minus 6 is equal to x minus 1. So this one goes this side. So it becomes plus. So x is equal to 1 plus 6 or 1 minus 6. So it can be 7 or minus 5. Without quadratic equation, correct? So that point A can be 7 and 5 or A can be minus 5 and 5. Because on a graph, one point is there. From that point at a 5 centimeter distance, it can be here also, any side. So, but one coordinate is fixed. So this side also, second coordinate, this side also. That is why you are getting two answer. Follow, for example, on x-axis 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. From here, at a distance of 4, so it can be 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. It can be this 6 or 1, 2, 3, 4. It can be this. So the distance is same, but the coordinate can be different. That is why you are getting two answers. It's very simple. X1 is given, x2 is given, y1 is given, y2 is given, distance is given. This is unknown given. So carry this. This you can't subtract. This you can subtract. Square of the negative number positive. This comes this side. So it is 36. 36 square root. It is plus and minus. This minus comes this side. So 1 plus 6, 1 minus 6. So two answer. Okay. In exam also you have to be very careful for this double calculation. 4.8, 3.5. 4.8, 3.5. This is R1, this is R2. They have not given internally touching or externally touching. So you have to give both the answer. If externally touching, then distance is equal to R1 plus R2. 4.8 plus 3.5. If internally touching, so the distance is R1 minus R2. 4.8 minus 3.5. 1.3. You have to mention both when it is not given. Correct. When this is also a very good question, that when angle between two tangents are given and you have to find out the central angle. It is 72 given. O, P, A, B. Measure angle P is equal to 72 degree. Measure angle O is equal to question. This is a common question. Generally they ask in quadrilateral OBPA, measure angle O, it is X degree. Measure angle A means PAO. Measure angle PBO is equal to 90. Tangent radii perpendicular theorem. Measure angle P is equal to 72 degree. All four angles information I have written. Now in quadrilateral AOBP, measure angle O plus measure angle P plus measure angle PAO plus measure angle PBO is equal to 360. Sum of four angle of quadrilateral is 360. O is X, 72, 90, 90. 9 to the 18, 180 plus 78. 252 degree. So X is equal to 360 degree minus 252 degree. So this is 108. This is 90. The quadrilateral formed by two tangent with the radii, it is always cyclic. So that is why this plus this is 180. That so that this plus this also 180. 72 plus 108, it is 180. Now student listen. from next week, this week continue, we will do this Thakur public prelim papers. From Monday alternate, one day algebra, one day geometry, one day algebra, one day geometry. I will solve your doubts. So please be ready with the textbook, page number, sum number. You will call or you will raise your hand. Host will allow you to speak. I will also see my book according to page by, according to sum wise. I will solve your all the doubts. Correct. But in maths, this year I want very high result, because 100% already we have achieved last year. So now 100% is not our target. Our target is to improve the quality result. Okay, maximum number of student I want 90 plus. Okay, bacha. Thank you very much, and it's almost more than 1 hour. Thank you very much, and sorry for first 15-minute trouble. Thank you, bacha. Pratiksha, you can close, bacha.